Shortcut guides from Shortcut Software are a line of on-screen quick reference guides to the keyboard and mouse shortcuts in Windows and Windows applications. They seem to be pretty useful, but I'll let you decide that as we look at them with Howard Weisberg of Shortcut Software. So what we're going to see are sort of tutorials, if you were, that are right on screen with us, and we just bring them up, and it tells us how to save time and energy and be more efficient.
Yeah, let me give you an example.
Let's look. Let's look at it.
Say you're in Program Manager. Bring up Shortcut Guide any way you want, like, for example, double-click on the icon, and you immediately see a table with the keyboard and mouse shortcuts that you can use in Program Manager. Like, for example, the one that Hillary mentioned for saving your settings is right there. And if you want more than just this little terse keyboard template type explanation, if you click right, then you get an explanation in more detail.
Right. Okay. So there is some background information.
Some depth to help you learn what they mean and understand them. Also, you can browse around and look at the extended information for each one.
Okay.
Say you're in Word for Windows.
Yeah. Now there's one where we need lots of shortcuts and lots of help.
Word. People often don't know this, but there are actually over 250 of these keyboard and mouse shortcuts in Word for Windows. They've actually revised them and added in the latest version.
So it's just what we need, huh?
Yeah, sure. So how can you get the information? Okay, you can double-click on the optional always visible icon, or you can press the hotkey either way, and you immediately see shortcuts for Word. Now, in this case, there's so many that they're organized like a stack of cards. And you can navigate through to a card with the topic you want by clicking the down button or pressing page down.
I was going to say, I figured there's more than one screen of them for Word for Windows. Now the other thing,
just one screen alone, just for foreign characters.
Right. Now, obviously, we have it full screen right now for the benefit of being able to see it for the demo. But you don't have to have it full screen. You can have it in a corner or any place you want it, any size you want it, essentially.
Sure.
Okay. Now you wanted to show us the shortcut guides for WinSim, or the software for CompuServe. Can we look at that real quickly?
Yeah, sure. Okay. If you're a whoops.
That's okay. We'll just go back and find it here. It's here. If
you're a WinSim user, you can actually download Shortcut Guide for WinSim by typing Go Shortcut in CompuServe. Okay. And let's say you're composing mail.
Which is pretty easy to do.
Well, actually, we've already composed some mail. Let's get the mail we've already got. Okay, and let's say you want to embellish your mail with a little personalized deal here. So bring up Shortcut Guide for WinSim. And you've got your WinSim shortcuts. You've got your terminal mode for when you drop into terminal mode in CompuServe, if you've ever done that, hard to remember those. This tells you how to use WinSim or any Windows program without a mouse, if you're using a laptop, all the keyboard commands. Then we have a page of acronyms that you can put into your email to insult people. Or of course, we have to have the emoticons to show that you're a real email expert and get your little smiley face. So let's insert a smiley face. And with Shortcut Guide, you can actually either type the command or you can double-click on it, and it sends it back to your program. So if when I double-click on this, I've got my
smile with glasses.
Face. Right.
Yes, with glasses. All right, that's fitting. All right. So you brought out another good point, and that is that you can go ahead and do the keystrokes yourself, or you can just double-click on it right there in Shortcut Guides, and it'll go ahead and send it back to the program for you.
You can't do that in Windows Help.
No, exactly. All right, so once again, it's Shortcut Guides for Windows, and it also comes for Word and Excel and 1, 2, 3, and just about most of the popular Windows applications, does it not?
WordPerfect, yeah.
All right. Howard, thanks so much for being with us.
Pleasure.
Windows 95 is not imminent enough to ignore these Windows secrets, but we still should know what Windows 95 looks like and how it drives. We'll kick the tires right after this pause. Stick around.
Talk to us on CompuServe. Go PCTV and join our Computers on Television forum. Suggestions, program information, software demos, all on the Computers on Television forum.
ท่าทางเหนื่อยเชียวอย่างนี้แหละต้องรื้อปรับระบบต้องหาคนช่วยเสียเงินแต่ก็ไม่ดีขึ้นใช่ว่ะอย่างนี้ต้อง IBM เอ้ยเราต้องซื้อฮาร์ดแวร์เพิ่มสิไม่ใช่ IBM เขามีบริการปรึกษาการจัดระบบเขาจะมาอยู่กับคุณจนงานเรียบร้อยเลยหุ้นผมขึ้นเลยครับขายเลยครับ
Now you can create your own personalized cards, posters, and banners on your home or business PC. Free with new Greetings for Windows. Use Greetings to make birthday cards, organize a bake sale, congratulate a friend, or announce a picnic. With Greetings, you'll send messages that could only have come from you. And best of all, it's free. All you need are an IBM or compatible PC with Microsoft Windows 3.1 or later, and your imagination. Just choose a card, poster, or banner, select images from the library of over 60 exciting graphics, then add your own personal message and print. It's easy enough for the whole family to use. This exciting free offer is our way of introducing you to the Parsons Technology family of over 50 affordable, high-performance software titles. Call now and get Greetings for Windows free. Just use your credit card to pay the $8.95 shipping and handling charges. Call 1-800-914-6500. Operators are standing by, so act now.
Squids, we got snake big time in Barneyland.
They dream green room.
We sent shore slop.
Holmes, let's get aggro on IBM stick before we get churned. We'll bust the lip, get locked in the barrel, and we won't need a swarmy to keep us from going over the falls.
Are we talking triple concave?
Nectar. All the way.
Pure guava.
These lineups have been totally glassy since they chilled on the SEAL suits.